Watch the cranes coming into Sweden, from Germany, from the Netherlands, from Spain, and so on, where they have been hibernating for the winter, which was great. Now they're back. This is quite spectacular. This is quite spectacular. We are here to welcome them back. From here, they're going to divide themselves 2 by 2 and go to places where they're going to lay their eggs, bring up their children, and then just before the summer ends, when winter is approaching, they shall again come with their kids, they gather here, then they can make a universal collective flight to back to Germany, to the Netherlands, and to Spain. There is what they call the dance for two. You can see them, they pair and they dance 2 by 2, matching the couple. They're quite faithful for one another, so they don't mix up the two, and they don't mix up the couple, and the children also know how to behave, and these things are more organized than human beings can ever imagine. You have the church on the back side, and over the church you can see the sky, the groups that are just coming in. This is a group that is just dropping in. Watch this. Here they are, making soft landing as they join the others. Watch this. Watch this. And then they make a final soft landing. Here they go. And perfectly they touch in now. Final landing. Welcome. There's more coming in. I can focus on this too. They're going to make their soft landing. Mixed in between them, they're kind of geese. You can see the white ones, they're geese. Soft landing. It all starts with here. This is the place where the cranes come and gather together to start distributing themselves along in Sweden. And such an amazing sight. Never seen so many birds like this together. Never seen so many birds like this together. Hey, you want the car keys? Hey, you want the car keys? Hey, Inez. She can't hear me because the birds are too loud. Inez, you can't hear me. Sorry. Sorry, I was shouting. I'm seeing you rushing and I'm going the other direction. Okay. In case you need the car keys, just have them. Sorry. Are there toilets on the other side? No, I didn't. I didn't feel you getting scared. That was my daughter, and she had her music and earphones on. Look at this. Look at this. So amazing. And look at these duckies. Look at these geese, ducks, swans. All sorts of birds are here to join the cranes. It's not only human beings that are welcoming. It's not only human beings that are welcoming these cranes, but also the ducks are here. The ducks are here. The geese are here. The swans are here. This is in Skara. Everything begins here at Skara. Sorry. Never seen so many birds like this flying in together at the same time. So amazing, so amazing. close. sharing the waters with the swans, sharing the water with the swans. This is such a magnificent view. What a beautiful day. It's a little bit cold and chilly, but such a beautiful view. Magnificent. This is Skara. This is Sweden.